So Karthik, these roads lead to India-Pakistan game.
These roads are gonna lead us
To-
to
The greatest victory of all time.
the greatest victory, the greatest rivalry, the greatest
The greatest
Passion.
of the game between two teams.
two legendary teams.
Legendary teams.
Capture other people along
Also,
with us who are heading towards what we think.
what could possibly be?
It could be possibly anything, but it's gonna be legendary, as one of the legends has said.
Fairly excited, Karthik here.
And we'll keep you posted.
Gonna keep you posted.
This is the beginning.
Yeah.
We are in Midtown.
At what time you got up today, Karthik?
Let's keep the personal details towards the end, please.
No, but just to give
I
more.
got up, I think around 6:15.
6:45.
I think
And we were supposed to meet at 6 a.m. in Sea
Please,
Caucus.
let's not highlight other people's.
No, so but still we made it.
Got
This was
some
important.
blue donut Dunkin'.
Yeah.
New York runs on
With
Dunkin'.
caramel.
Mm.
All right. What's the ETA? 38 minutes.
38 minutes away. Currently heading towards Queens Midtown Tunnel.
Yeah. We started to see a lot of people dressed like us,
Yeah.
excited like us.
Yep. Typical buildings on the right. Fire escape running through the windows.
Nice commentary. Keep going. What else do you see on the road? A yellow cab.
The New York typical yellow taxi, you know, give it a hand and come. Still used widely by New Yorkers, even after Uber and Lyft and Revel and whatnot.
Very informative. Extremely.
Becoming it to a
So Karthik, it's your first game? India Pakistan.
yes,
like-
it's
Like watching India team game?
it's actually my second. The first one that I watched was way back, almost probably 15 years back. India Australia at the Wankhede.
Oh wow.
The-
Yeah. Was it a World Cup?
No, it was a test match last
Test
day,
match.
fifth day, where India won the match, but lost the series.
Oh.
Sachin Tendulkar hit a 50 in that match.
That must be nice
That,
to see.
that
Yeah.
was a good. The whole Wankhede was on
Yeah.
its feet.
And Sachin in Test is like a different vibe.
Yeah. Test match altogether is a very different vibe, I feel. But as per the format of the game, T20, this is my first T20 ever.
T20 ever.
Game ever that I'm watching.
Yeah. So
No
that's
IPL, no
just
everything
to
counted.
let our fans know out there
That's-
that Karthik
Yeah,
has
fans.
his way of tracking his own milestones, his own Guinness Book of Records. So this is his very first ever experience, and that's kind of a big
Have
big
you
day.
been to a T20 game, Rohan?
Yeah, I've been to most of IPL games.
Most of I was
mostly
experienced in this format.
extremely, and also playing these days a 16-over format.
Oh, yeah. And I think to let our fans know another fact, yesterday, in fact, Rohan had a great performance on the field.
I absolutely did.
Earned some bonus points for his team, the Newport Narcos. Shout out to Newport Narcos.
Yeah, please do follow, share, subscribe Newport Narcos too. This is not a paid advertisement. It just happened to talk about some great team and some amazing players. So you would find a lot of exciting cricket out there.
Yeah.
And
So yeah, so it was a good milestone for him as well yesterday. I just wanted to mention that since he was mentioning the book of records and stuff.
Yeah. But yeah, my first Indian team game as well. It's gonna be something to watch.
It's gonna
Super
be
excited.
the country. You can see both of us are drenched in blue.
Yeah.
Blue is the I even have my cap, the blue color.
Yeah, it's important
Blue
for
cap.
yeah.
It's a blue wave today in the
Blue
stadium.
wave. Yeah.
We don't want green.
No, green.
Boycott green.
we
That
might
was
have
strong.
to. Yeah, we were very strong. That got escalated too quickly. But what he means, guys, just an intervention
I mean,
here.
as a just for
that
match duration, it's just the friendly banter.
yeah, let's just keep it as a friendly banter, and we do have some disclaimers that we let you guys know that this is again in all good faith, and Karthik is kind of a friendly guy sometimes.
Kind of a friendly guy. That seemed a little skeptic there, Rohan. What do you mean?
I mean, sure, you're racist towards the colors.
Yeah.
But the point being, it's going to be a blue game. We're looking fantastic right now, like coming from Ireland, winning against that team and showing that efforts that they are trying to do. I hope our boys win.
Yeah, and it's a familiar pitch as well. We've played a warm-up game. We've played a actual league game. So, it's familiar territories. It's going to be new on the other side for Pakistan. Because this is their first game in the stadium. So,
Oh, there's a train going.
it's the New York subway, you can see.
It's not the subway. It's a Long Island train.
It's LR, probably. Not sure at this point. A lot of trains in New York City, folks. A lot of different types of trains with alphabets.
Finally, Karthik, going back home.
Yes, after a very, very memorable match.
Very memorable match.
Very memorable. It was a great bowling performance. India is usually known for its batting performance,
Yeah.
but I think this time the other counterpart, the team.
I honestly don't know what happened today. It was just a magic. There was 9% chances of winning, and then I don't know what happened. Whatever happened, it happened to our favor, and I'm very happy about it.
And shall we disclose that?
We definitely should. We started off this vlog with a lot of highs, thinking we could actually do a lot.
Yeah.
We reached there, got overwhelmed. Then the first inning, then the rain, the first inning, very depressing honestly with 119 runs. And
Poor start, both the openers back in the pavilion very, very quickly.
and yeah, we were there for literally Virat and Sharma to
It's
show,
one of
you
the
know,
important
yeah,
players.
yeah, to see
Jadeja,
their sixes, to see their innings.
quite disappointing. Jadeja
Jadeja heart broke.
the one time that I saw him in my life, and the first ball he got out.
And I remember when he got out, you said, and I wanted his jersey. And I said, you should change your mind now.
But I think he bowled decently. He got a few
Yeah,
overs
but-
too.
That's,
Take two.
Take two. He
I
bowled.
think he bowled, yeah.
He bowled nice, but you know, player like Jadeja, you have to step up in such games where the top order has failed. Now you're expecting from bowlers. Then, like, you know, what is really your role? Are you a bowler or are you batsman? You're supposed to be a batsman, a batting all-rounder.
Yeah.
But Jadeja failed.
But I mean, that's okay. Our second all-rounder for the day, Akshar Patel, he
Wonderful.
did pretty well. Pretty well.
What a guy.
He batted a few overs. He was there,
Yeah.
and brilliant performance with the bowl.
Yeah.
I think
I've seen
he's pretty
his
good.
innings before, and he's very fearless.
Very fearless.
Like he has had bad times, but when he had good times, he has really worked it in, you know.
Yeah, he's up and coming, a very second promising
Vice
all-rounder
and a vice captain.
and vice
Who knows?
captain and
Who knows?
all-rounder.
After this video
Could
goes
be.
viral,
Yeah.
he might be even be saying it as if like it's gonna go crazy, but who knows?
Kuldeep is another candidate. And,
Kuldeep, yeah, definitely. But then, what do you feel about their whole atmosphere?
oh
of
my
the,
God, it was.
the
I don't
voices
know.
right now.
Yeah, I don't know, followers and fans, if you're able to, make out, but our voices. And there is one video also, me screaming insanely.
And
There's
he's
proof.
going like a wave. Like people
It was-
like doing nagging dance, but then Karthik
Yeah.
was doing like a fire dance. Like, ooh.
It was electrifying. It was
absolutely,
and
yeah.
I think by the last 10 overs, which was the best part of the match,
Yeah.
we were actually very close to the surface.
And with the game too, we were very close to the
very
game.
Very game. Pretty much close. Virat was frequent visitor
Yeah.
on our side. Then Akshar Bhai also came, and Siraj was there, and Mr. Dubey, who didn't
Dropped.
start.
And dropped a catch.
It was
Just a bad day for him overall.
a bad
He get a
day, I
chance in a
think.
big game and couldn't perform.
Yeah, that would have turned the tides in the beginning, but after that mishap, which was very early in the innings,
Yeah.
they went up to 50 runs. It was just a loss of 1 wicket. At that point in time, it was Pakistan all over.
Yeah.
It was looking like Babar.
This felt like a proper India-Pakistan template where in starting
Going down to the wire.
going down to the wire 1 second, like Pakistan getting choked at the very end, unfortunately. And India usually does the batting standards high, but today with bowling standards, that was something what
Very
really
nice.
like amazing. Yeah, you never get to see an Indian inning defend 119 on an unknown track against like a big team like Pakistan.
And yeah, against a very decent batting order. Not very good, but decent batting order. And
Yeah.
shout out to Mr. Pant. Pant was
amazing. Yeah.
after
He did a
coming
very
back.
good job today.
Yeah. We're all glad that he's doing well
Yeah.
after pretty tragedy in his life.
Yeah.
What happened?
Felt like
Tragic.
Are you gonna shed some tears?
No, it's
Just-
good. It's good that we have a good wicket-keeping performing batsman.
We do, and it's crucial because we have so many options in wicket keeping,
Definitely.
and it was one of the spots that for the grab, and this guy got it somehow. Wasn't it was like, well, would he be able to perform? And he's doing it. He's doing better than
very
the
crucial.
people who have been fit for
Expected.
such a long time.
Yeah, better than
Yeah.
expected, and being a crucial anchor in
Yeah.
the Indian innings today.
Yeah, I think next game, no matter what, Sharma, Kohli have to
Deliver.
get back in the game. Yeah, I mean,
the IPL days are over
they-
now. It's what's happening there. Kohli, questions being raised, but he is what he is. So I don't want to raise any questions.
we
got a little
carried away there.
carried away there.
Kohli, if you ever
And that's
hear this,
यही होता है ना पार्टनरशिप की यही टाइम पे तुम बोलोगे नहीं ऐसा नहीं है so that's the camaraderie that you should have when you know that the other person is going a little extreme, pull him back.
no, absolutely, and I feel like he's a player like him doesn't need that kind of a pull. He kind of identifies himself. Self-realization is there. And that's why he's there, at that very great level.
He's already
Yeah,
there.
but it's just like, we just hope to see a very good innings from Kohli. He's known for his World Cup innings.
Yep,
He's
yep.
been absolutely fantastic in big games. And
Yep.
so, yeah, we'll see what happens next. And
Another fact is Pakistan might be out of the T20 ICC T20 2024 if USA win against Ireland. It's going to be a shame, but
that's-
what are your thoughts?
No, I mean you Team Pakistan. I'm honestly very happy for for people like cricket fans like us, because it's a good team.
Definitely.
And if you've seen Pakistan track record, like if they have bounced back, they have reached finals, they have reached semi-finals, and they have very good bowling attack. The batting just clicks one day, and then everything, it would be a perfect square. But luckily, it didn't happen, and you don't want such teams to be there because they can easily be a good team, an underdog team, and a great team in the same tournament. So yeah, that's good. But I think we can sign off for this moment.
Yeah.
And we'll be back. We have some crazy adventures planned for you guys with some cycling and shit.
Oh,
But yeah, stay tuned.
There's a great concert, a little bit,
Oh yes,
later.
we're going to Hamptons too.
but it is going to come.
It's happening.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
Signing
Signing
off.
off.
Bye.